Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. Today we are going to complete this startup machine on TryHackMe. It's classified as an easy difficulty level, but I would mark it as an intermediate because it requires you to have more than beginner's knowledge. So first of all, we are going to start the machine. As I am using the trial version, I'll get my IP address after 1 minute. Till then, we would be opening the terminal, and as it is a good practice to nmap first, so I'll be running my command on full throttle, and then the next thing is I do not want the IP resolution, I want the script scan as well, and the scan type should be aggressive. Now I'll put here my IP address that I am going to get after the 20 seconds. So you are going to see that how is the logical process of pen testing or evaluating some machine. I had some notes with me that I update time to time about the GitHub repositories or the commands that can escalate and fast your pen testing process. So this is the IP address that we have with us. So sorry. So nmap is working. Let's change its name to nmap. Okay. So let's see my own IP address. I'm being connected to TryHackMe using this tunnel 0. So this is my own IP address 10.8.81.81. So in most of the cases, the web server is running on the target machine. We will get the information about that in our nmap. But if something got responded back, as you can see, it means the web server is running. No spice here. Please excuse us, we develop our site. We want to make it the most stylish and convenient way to buy peppers. Plus, we need a web developer. By the way, if you're a web developer, contact us. Otherwise, don't worry, we'll be online shortly. So, if you'll click here online, it's a mail to command and without an email address. Let's inspect its source if something is hidden here. No, nothing. Some basic CSS and HTML. Let's see if we have the robots.txt file. No. Sitemap.xml. No. So we are going to brute force this directory first, and then we'll see what is in nmap that we got. Okay, so for that we are going to use ffff, and you can see there the word list we have passed is from seclist. Seclist is a GitHub repository for common passwords and common names of the web directories that mostly developers use. So you can download it from here if you do not have already available on your system. Okay, so let's go back here. The IP address is this. You just have to pass the word list by using -w, and then the username would be, the URL would be here with an IP address, and this is the place where we want to put all the values from this file. Okay, and let's fuzz it. So till then, let's see what we have in our nmap. SSH is running, FTP is running, and it is not showing us that any web server is running on this IP, but we have found the web server. Quite strange. Let's run it again. Till then we have the FTP, and you can see that the share is writable and anonymous login to FTP is allowed. So let's see if we can log into FTP using anonymous. No password requirement. Okay, so we are in our FTP important.jpg and notice.txt. Let's see if something is in FTP directory. Nothing is present in FTP directory. Okay, so it means that we have an access to the FTP server. We can upload and download something if we want to. Maybe we can upload a reverse shell here, and somehow we can execute it to get the reverse shell back. Let's see the web here. Oh, sorry, the results of FFUF. Yes. Oh, it is the same directory that image, but before that we can try some other methods. Notice several think we are a joke. Now I don't know who it is, but Maya is looking pretty S. So as we have the FTP access to this directory, and we can execute any file we want to web browser, so it means that we should try to upload shell. Okay, so for PHP reverse shell, because it is an Apache server and it executes the PHP. For that we are going to go for pentest monkey, and this is the URL for that PHP reverse shell, and you can download that from here. I have already downloaded it, and it is present in my downloads folder. You can see here PHP reverse shell. Okay, so now you are going to edit this file and change the IP address of your own system, because this is the machine where you want your shell to get back. So I have added already here the IP address of my system, which is 10.8.81.81, and I am interested in listening this connection back at 3344. Okay, so we are going to upload this file to the FTP server. Okay, so let's suspend this existing connection and cd to slash downloads. Sorry, no, sorry. And here I have my reverse shell, and I'm going to connect to the machine again. Username is anonymous without any password. As we know that FTP directory was writable, we can upload this PHP reverse shell here. Okay, successfully it has been uploaded. So okay, now I am listening here, and we be on 3344. Okay, is being uploaded, and okay, so it has been successfully uploaded. Data in this system. We do not got the administrator access, but a simple user txt, and let's cat this file. Someone asked what our main ingredient to a spice soup is today. I figure I can't keep it a secret for. I have added already, sorry, this is love. Okay, and what was the hint? FTP server shell back. We'll try to stabilize it by using this simple Python or script. This one. Okay, so we have got the better shell than we had the before. Okay, ls here, and we can see that there is a folder named as incidents. Let's see what is present in incidents folder. It is suspicious.pcapng. So it is a Wireshark file and we want to analyze it. There's a reason that this Wireshark file is present here and we cannot analyze it through here. So we need the copy of this file in our own system to see what is the things that are available in this pcapng file. Before that, let's cd to home and see if there is something present over there. Cd // home ls. Oh, there is another user, Lenny, is present. Let's see if we can access its directory. Our permission is denied. We are with the restricted permissions. So it means that we should go for the suspicious.pcapng file first. We'll copy this file. suspicious.pcapng to /var/www/html. Okay, so it did not allow us to copy the file. Let's copy that to files folder if that is possible. And let's again try to copy that file to files-htp. Yes, I think the file has been copied. Let's see the content. Yes, we have copied the file to this folder. Rest of directories denied our access to copy this file. So let's see. We won't close this shell. Okay, slash files ftp. Yes, we have our suspicious.pkapng file here. Let's download it and see what is present in this suspicious.pkapng file. Open this file in the Wireshark to see. So the Wireshark is up and running. Let's see the statistics and how many conversations were going on in this. So in IP4 v4 there were 9 conversations going on. Okay. IPv6 nothing. TCP we have the 9 conversations going on. Okay. So let's see if we have an HTTP traffic here. Okay, so there is some shell.php file being uploaded. HTTP stream, follow it. Okay. Successfully open reverse shell here. So it means someone uploaded the reverse shell on this machine and his IP was 139 and he was listing the reverse shell on 4444. So let's find out the information of so let's listen the communication of this thing, this reverse shell. Let's follow the TCP stream. Yes, we have all the details of the reverse shell. So reverse shell open, someone listed the directory structure, and after that what he did, he also stabilized the shell like we did, and he tried to switch directory to Lenny. Permission denied. Sudo -l. He tried to enter the password but he failed. Let's see if we can try this password. It can't get enough spice. Copy this, and we know that SSH is also running. So we'll write here SSH Lenny at the rate. What is the IP address? Forgot. 10.10.205.11. 10.10.205.11. Press enter. Yes, I want to add this. I have added the password I acquired from Wireshark. Let's see if I'm... Oh my god. So this was the right password. Who am I? Not found. Okay, so it's a typo. Lenny. I have escalated my privileges to Lenny. we can see the user.txt file. User.txt. We have our flag for user.txt. Let's put here and submit. Ooh, your answer is correct. What are the contents of root.txt? No way. It means that I have to escalate my privileges to root for one more time. Okay, cd/root. Can't cd to root slash. Okay. So I'm here. Documents, scripts, user.txt. Let's see if there is some hint over here. Scripts. Wow. Scripts. Okay. Now I'm gonna close this Wireshark. We are done with this file. I think so. So there is a folder named as scripts. Let's see the contents of this folder. Planner.sh and startuplist.txt. Let's display this. It's adding the content of list variable to startup.list.txt file, and then it is executing /etc/print.sh file. So what is present in this print.sh? /etc/print.sh. Echo done. Nothing. Let's see the file permissions of planner.sh. ls-la. Oh, planner has the root access, so it means that we cannot have permission. We do not have permission to modify its content, but we can execute it as it is. We do not want to execute it as it is because that would be of no use. Let's see the permissions of /etc/print.sh. Oh, it is owned by root. Oh, sorry, Lenny. So planner.sh is executing the whatever is present in Lenny. I can modify the contents of Lenny. But I cannot force the planner.sh file to run as a root. So for that, let's see if we can do something else. Let's go to PSPUI to see if there are some processes running. Sorry, I would show you the what is this PSPY. If you would see the process list in this SSH, you can see there are only 2 processes running, but this PSPY gives you more control over these things. Okay, so let's read the demonstration description. PSPY is command line tool designed to snoop on processing without need for root permission, allow you to see commands run by the user, cron jobs as they execute, great for enumeration of Linux system and CTFs. Also great to demonstrate your colleague why passing secrets as arguments on the command line is a bad idea. The tool gathers the info from scans, identify watchers based on selected part of file system. Okay, so we are going to download this small version that I have already downloaded. You can see here. Okay, now I am going to copy this file to the target machine. Okay, and I can do that by FTP also, and I can copy that using SSH. I think the better mechanism would be to copy using the FTP because we have already opened the connection. So right now I'm in this directory, PHP reverse shell 1.0 in the downloads folder. I'm going to copy this to this so that I do not have to do much things. So I'll put PSPY. Oh, a connection timed out on FTP. So let's open the connection again. We are going to put here PSPY. It's uploaded. Let's get back to SSH and cd2/4. Okay, so we have our file here, PSPY64s, and we have the permission to execute this file. Okay, so let's execute this PSPY64s. Text file busy. What does that mean actually? Let's see if we have some permission issues. chmod. Operation not permitted. Okay. we had the reverse shell here also. See if we can execute that file from here. Oh yeah, it is being running from my reverse shell that I had acquired. It has given me some output also. Let's see if there is something interesting. No, right now, not right now. Okay, this result has been popped out. Planner.sh. So it means it is auto executing because I haven't executed it by myself and I don't have permission to do that also. So it means that if I uh, modify the contents of /etc/print.sh, the planner.sh with root permission will execute that file. Yes, you can see here this planner.sh also executed this file print.sh. Okay, so we mean that we have to modify the contents of print.sh. We are back in our SSH terminal and see where we are. Okay, so let's see t2 slash at sorry, let's nano directly to @c slash print.sh. We have the Lenny's permission in this SSH terminal, so we can change the contents of this file. It means if it is auto executed, we can add the command to acquire another reverse shell on our system with root privileges. So for a bash reverse shell, copy this command. You can find all these commands on pentest monkey. Okay, and let's change the content of this. Sorry, what I have just copied. The IP address of my system was 10.8.81.81. It's kind of slow, I don't know why. My IP address was 10.8.81.81. Ten eight eight one 81 space, and I'm going to listen on 5232. Okay, so Control X. Yes, the file was modified successfully, and now I'm going to create a listener again using netcat -nlvp 5232. Rename to root reverse shell. Okay, so yes, the port was 5232. We have to wait for a moment till the cron job execute again, and it executes this print.sh file. Let's see in our FTP, sorry, our reverse shell. If the print.sh executes, yes, we have got a reverse shell back. And see, let's see who we are now. Who am I? Root. Okay, show me the contents. Root.txt thm, copy, and let's add it over here and submit. Yes, yes, we have successfully completed this machine, and I would highly recommend to subscribe my channel. And if you like the way, please comment down below. If you haven't understand something, you want to ask something, or you want to learn, subscribe my channel or put a comment down there. Bye bye.